Hello, and thank you for joining us for our virtual open house videos. My name is Steve Vitiello. I'm the principal of the Technical High School, and I would like to take a minute now to allow the rest of our front office staff to introduce themselves.
Hello to all of our prospective students. My name is John Longinetti. I'm the assistant principal here at Cape May Tech. I hope that you find all of the videos informative on our various career and technical education programs. And if you have any questions about any of our programs or anything else that our school offers, please feel free to call us at any time. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mr. Cassia, attendance officer, athletic coordinator, and guidance counselor. So if you have any questions regarding any of those topics, feel free to find me.
Hello, I am Anne Marie Young, secretary to Mr. Vitiello.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth Chikrin. I'm main office secretary. I'm here and happy to help you with any of your needs or to answer any questions you might have.
Yeah, so all of us are here to answer any of your questions, and thank you for considering the Technical High School for your students' future education.